In front of me is Vivo IQOO 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. Firstly, go into settings and tap on notifications and status bar. Now you need to scroll down and tap on app notification management. Then select one of your apps. I will go with maybe browser, and click on this switcher next to allow notifications. As you can see, all notifications from this browser are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!